Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to discuss Weinreb Ketone Synthesis. It is a two-step synthesis wherein in the first step a carboxylic acid or ester or acyl chloride reacts with methoxymethylamine hydrochloride to produce corresponding amide called Weinreb amide. In the next step, the Weinreb amide reacts with organolithium compound or Grignard reagent to produce ketone. One thing which is to be noted here is that the reaction of organolithium or Grignard reagent with Weinreb amide does not give tertiary alcohol. We will discuss the reason behind it in the mechanism section. Mechanism. In this section, we are going to discuss the mechanism of only second step, as you all might be knowing mechanism of step 1, which is acid-amine coupling or simple addition-elimination reaction. Here, I will discuss the mechanism of reaction of Weinreb amide with organolithium. The same can be applied for the reaction of Weinreb amide with Grignard reagent. Weinreb amide has electrophilic carbonyl carbon and organolithium is a nucleophile. So, addition of R prime to the carbonyl carbon of Weinreb amide gives this tetrahedral intermediate, which is stabilized by chelation between lithium metal and methoxy oxygen. This stabilization prevents collapse of this tetrahedral intermediate to ketone and further attack by organolithium reagent to produce tertiary alcohol. During acidic workup, oxygen and nitrogen get protonated to produce another tetrahedral intermediate with positive charge on methoxymethyl residue that makes it a beta leaving group. This tetrahedral intermediate then removes methoxymethylamine to produce ketone. Examples of Weinreb ketone synthesis. Methyl benzoate, when allowed to react with methoxymethylamine in the presence of isopropyl magnesium chloride, produces Weinreb amide, which then reacts with methyl magnesium bromide to produce acetophenone. Second example, CBG protected L-proline when allowed to react with methoxymethylamine in the presence of chlorodimethoxytriazine, also called CDMT, and N-methylmorpholine NMM, gives corresponding Weinreb amide, which reacts with ethyl magnesium bromide to produce ketone. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.